And if we don't want a repeat of the excess and wastefulness of the 20th century, then we need to teach our kids about this planet, not tales of leaving it.
When you get a different vantage point, it changes your perspective.
To take a chance on something that just might end up being the most profoundly impactful moment for humanity, for the history of history.
This was my call.
Someone pulled the plug.
Well, we used to look up in the sky and wonder at our place in the stars.
I don't consider what could potentially be the most important discovery of the human race nonsense, okay? There's 400 billion stars out
and
there.
only two probabilities. One, there is intelligent life out there, but it's so far away you'll never contact it in your lifetime. And two, there's nothing out there but noble gases and carbon compounds, and you're wasting your time.
Now we just look down and worry about our place in the dirt.
It's called Sputnik.
We know.
But the military presence arriving behind sources close to the
We could have orbited a satellite a year ago if we had been given the green light. Now we must get something up there quick and dirty any way at all.
It's important to America to get a man up there first. I'm planning on being the first man to ride the rocket.
You're asking me to hang everything on an almost.
I'm asking you to trust me.
If it does turn out, you'll go down in history. What kind of thoughts do you have about that when the thought hits you? Gosh, suppose that flight successful?
We're planning on that flight being successful.
I just meant how you feel about being a part of history.
Star Voyager Gus Grissom. Yeah, I kind of like the sound of that.
Seven Americans, gentlemen all, Virgil I. Gus Grissom, Leroy G. Cooper, Donald A. Slayton, John H. Long Jr., Michael S. Carpenter, Alan B. Shepard Jr., Walter M. Girard Jr., Americans, Mercury X-7.
Stop! Have him!
What are the chances you're not coming back? What are the chances this is the last time the boys are gonna see you?
I can't give you an exact number.
I don't want a fucking number, Neil! It's not zero, is it? Is it?
Mark.
No.
This is Apollo Saturn Launch Control. T-minus 1 minute, 35 seconds. On the Apollo mission, flight to land, first men on the moon.
Apollo 11, this is the launch operations manager. The launch team wishes you good luck and Godspeed.
Going off, sure has been a nice smooth countdown. Thank you, babe. LMP, VHS.
T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We passed T-minus 60. 55 seconds and counting. Neil Armstrong just reported back. It's been a real smooth countdown. We passed the 50-second mark. Power transfer is complete. We're on internal power with the launch vehicle at this time. 40 seconds away from the Apollo 11 liftoff. All the second stage tanks now pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. We are still go with Apollo 11. 30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds.
Everything is A-OK.
20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts.
3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and...
The clock is running.
But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win. And the others too.
I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.